Here we have a throwback to the summer, a nice little reprieve during an otherwise difficult time during this cold season. Personal health matter occurred recently where I got pneumonia on my right lung, so I've had to take a step back this week. Hopefully I'll be in the mend and back on my grind, my normal grind, and I look forward to doing that as soon as possible. Kind of miss it already, although I don't miss the cold, brutal outdoor weather, which resulted in this pneumonia. Regardless, make sure to wrap yourself up adequately and recognize that summer's right around the corner when it gets here. That comes with its own source of problems, and obviously detrimental working conditions are found in an attic. As you can see there, I had a neck fan on me at that time, just because the temperatures get so freaking hot in the attic that you're forced to come up with any ad hoc measure to kind of both keep the temperature of your head somewhat reasonable and make it more comfortable to work over extended periods of time. But yeah, I guess I was really cavalier about not bundling up as much as I should have during this winter, and the cold has made me a believer. At least this particular winter has been one of those that I found myself working out on uh, inundated, snowed in equipment, which is no fun too. Anywho, so the reason we went about this whole process was in order to ensure that we wouldn't get a call back on a supply plenum in an unconditioned attic environment. The levels of moisture in our area is ridiculous and known to cause basically it starts to emanate like moisture droplets, and those moisture droplets start to condense. They condense over time, especially when it's so humid inside of the attic, and before you know it, you might have the impression of water leakage on the attics or the ceiling drywall. So we were doing our due diligence in order to avoid that possibility.